Good afternoon, student. Class 10th Science Assignment, January. First question is given: write name of any four appliances working on thermal effect of electric current. Then write any three differences between resistance and specific resistance. See here applications of the heating effect of electric current. The heating effect of electric current is utilized in the working of electrical heating appliances such as electric room, electric heater, electric iron, then electric kettle and electric toaster. In this way you write down any four appliances. This is your answer number 1A. Now next question is: what is difference between resistance and specific resistance? 4 points are here. Ratio of potential difference between two ends of the conductor to current flowing through at uniform temperature. Definition of resistance is given. Then unit of resistance is ohm. Resistance on which factor the resistance depend: length, temperature, cross section area, material. And resistance is related with a particular conductor. This is the 4 points of resistance. Now next is: what is specific resistance? At a fixed temperature, amount of resistance offered in the flow of current by conductor having unit length, unit cross section is called its specific resistance. This is the definition of specific resistance. Its unity is ohm meter, and specific resistivity of the conductor, it depends on the material of the conductor and its temperature. Specific resistance is related with the material of the conductor. These are the 4 points of specific resistance. This is your answer number 1B. Now next question is given. You have to draw a schematic line diagram explaining reflex action of our body. Here it is the schematic representation of pathway of information, how the information is received and messages are given by our brain. Here it is spinal cord, then information through ears, information through eyes, to muscles of the hand, this motor nerves and sensory nerves. Sensory nerves give message to the brain and motor nerves give message to our spinal cord and brain. You have to draw this diagram, and next you have to describe reflex action in our body. This is the answer of question number 2. Again you have to draw this diagram also. Next question is given. You have to explain working of electric motor, its principle, uses, everything. Here uses of electric motors are given, where it is used in electric fan, refrigerator, washing machine, water pumps. What is the principle of your electric motor, and then construction and motor and its working principle. You have to draw this diagram also, and up to 2 half circle acts as a dual changer. You have to write the answer of question number 3. Now next question is question number 4. Male reproductive part and female reproductive part of a flower. Here diagram is drawn. You have to draw this diagram, and then you have to explain this. The male reproductive organ of a flower is composed of all the stamen present in the flower, and each stamen has head form of anther bearing pollen in pollen sac, and pollens are the structure that pass on to the stigma of the female reproductive part, and the process is called transfer of pollen from anther to stigma is pollination. In this way, female reproductive organ of a flower is composed of all the carpel, and carpel is mainly composed of 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. Ovules are female reproductive cells or gamete present in the ovary, and ovule develop into seed. This is your answer number 4. And last question is: say about secondary sexual characters. In the life of human being, reproductive system become functional. Generally male attain puberty at the age of 13 to 14, and female attain at the age of 11 to 12 years. Secondary sexual character develop, and the following visible changes can be noticed. Secondary sexual characters in male: These are 4 points you have to write. And secondary sexual characters in female, again 4 points are given here. This you write down heading secondary sexual characters in females. In this way you write all the answers of the assignment give in assignment of January. And if you have any queries or any doubt, you ask, comment, do comment in comment section. Thank you.